Hello, we are Rie and Hiromi, cousins from Japan. Today, we will show you how to make a super easy sailboat origami. First, place a piece of origami with white side face up. Fold in half to make a triangle. Unfold. Bring the bottom left corner to the center line. And fold, then fold outward in half. It would almost look like a triangle while missing the bottom left corner that was folded. Open up the bottom left corner and fold to mirror the other side. And it's done. Thank you for watching and happy folding! 最後まで見てくれてありがとうございました。